let's talk a little bit about an app. Our friend Don McAllister from the Screencasts Online days, he has since sold that wonderful website and the training videos to Lee Garrett, and he's doing such an amazing job with Screencasts Online. He's kept it live and going. You see Allison Sheridan, you see Mike Schmitz, some of our friends from MacStock and others doing some great tutorial videos on that platform. But Don decided to sell his company and retire, so he's been enjoying life and traveling. And I just caught my eye earlier this week on Facebook that he decided to develop an app. His daughter got married, and he just wanted to have a way to play music, but there was no really good way of being able to control how you play the music with playlists if you're not hiring a DJ or a band. So you can play your wedding ceremony music. It's called Wedding Player, and he says on his website that's weddingplayer.app that your ceremony music will deserve a playlist more than just a playlist. So you can do it start to finish, do it offline, pre-program it, and it's got some pretty amazing features here to where you can create how it's played. It's got an interface on both the iPhone and the iPad. You can also use it on the Mac if you wanted to as well, but it's not officially supported, like the way is you can download an iOS or iPadOS app and I'll put it on a Mac, but it may not be as good of an experience on it. But and it'll work just for that day and for you, and being able to interface with any music service, including Apple Music. Sets up very quickly and in minutes. You can go to live mode very easily. And if you can't generate a stable Wi-Fi, you can just do it offline. So it also works in airplane mode. So lots of great features and seamless transitions between songs, Apple Music or your files, so you can do it, create a timeline. So he's got some pretty serious details in here. I'm very impressed, Don, and I wanted to make sure I highlighted it this week and let everybody know about it. And you can do things like being part of your venue, and co-coordinators you can stop juggling the lists. You can coordinate with them, and no worries about Wi-Fi. Very, very smart. I think it's a great little app. I don't know what you guys think, but pricing's not. I think it's fair pricing. He's only charging at $7.99. That even though it says euro, it is $7.99 US. I think it is, or it might have been $9.99 US. It might be $9.99 US.
Yeah, it's a little bit more.
It's a little bit more, right? That's okay, but. Again, when you pay it's one-time purchase. It's yours forever, and you get unlimited ceremony events, and mixing Apple Music tracks and custom files, cross-fade and fade-out transitions, live mode with locked panic-proof controls, the volume normalization across all the tracks, 100% offline. It can work in airplane mode too, so you're not locked to this Wi-Fi. So go check it out. He's got a story here. What he did again, like I said, it was when his daughter just got married actually last month in March. Congratulations, Don. And there was nothing in the App Store that he needed. So he obviously had his mind set on getting this thing developed, and he did it.
That's cool.
So what do you guys think?
All right, first I just double checked the pricing. It's $7.99 in the US
too. Okay,
but
good.
You can buy a venue license, $49.99. So that's cool. He's taken into account individual users and venues.
Yeah.
Looking at this, okay, so it's called Wedding Player.
Player, yes.
But it doesn't need to be called that. But I get why it is, and I think it's great because it's great for the wedding music. I'm looking at this. You could use this for any event where you wanted to have control over the music and not have to worry about someone screwing it all up.
Right.
I could see using this for parties and
absolutely.
Birthdays and whatever the celebration is. You could just fire up Wedding Player and manage the event playlist for that.
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Anything you want to add, Jill?
I was just saying that's great too, because I know a lot of friends of mine, weddings are expensive, and they hire a DJ, and the DJ is just sitting there controlling their phone. And I thought, why are you paying this money? Why is this happening? And this is great. Good for Don.
Yeah. You back, Marty? You were having some technical problems.
Yeah, I read this and I thought, the first thing I noticed was this is for my daughter's wedding.
Yeah.
And then in the promo, it says unlimited ceremony events. If my daughter, in this case, my son, is getting married in a couple of weeks, I don't want it to be considered an unlimited ceremony event. I want one event. And I might share this with him. He does have a DJ by the name of DJ OK.
Well, that's better than DJ Meh.
Yeah. So, I didn't get involved in any of the music decisions. I don't get involved in any decisions, but they settled
think it's
on
best.
DJ OK.
Yeah. It's probably best. So go check it out. Link in the show notes. And thank you, Don, for sharing this with everybody. And we want to share it with everybody as well. So please check him out. Support Don's wonderful work he did on this app. So